Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do this beautiful, fluffy, voluptuous puff. This is not my real hair. Like, this is not my real hair. I know it looks like my hair texture, but it's not. But I only did this style for under $10. Literally a $5 style. And if you can see, you wouldn't be able to tell. It looks like 4 textured hair. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, make sure that you keep watching and that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want more content like this, more protective styles for your 4 textured hair, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. My content involves hair, beauty, girl talk, and vlogs. So honey, if you just want to tell me you want to see my makeup routine or anything else, just let me know in the comment section down below. But yes, I'm going to show you a very detailed way of how I did this style. This was the first day I did this style, and I just wanted to show you guys, exactly what I did the very first time I've tried it. So it was going to be, a success or a fail. So obviously it looks cute. So let me stop talking and let's get into the video. So I just put my head under the sink for about 3 seconds, and I made sure that my hair was semi-soaked, semi-not soaked, just so that it's easier to go through my hair with the product and for it to be slicked down. So I'm just gonna put in my olive oil eco styler gel and just make sure I separate the hair so it's easier to apply. I've been using this gel recently by Eco Styler and I absolutely love it. When I was using the original one, it left so many flakes, but this is very moisturizing and it smells a little better than the rest, so I would definitely recommend using this one. I'm just working on making a middle part. On a good day, I would make sure that it's very, very, very straight. But just for now, I want it to look, somewhat effortless, somewhat like I tried. So I'm just going to make sure that the part is decent while using this type of comb. And I'm going to put it in 2 sections to make sure that the gel coats all of the hair. And one tip that I wanted to give you guys was to use a hard brush. Using a soft brush for 4 textured hair just does not cut it. So I would recommend going in with your hand, a hard brush, and a wide tooth comb just to make sure that you're getting all of those curly kinks, just so it looks flat and cute. But you see I'm going in with the comb first, and then I apply the gel, and then I brush it. So I used a mix of all of those 3 things to make sure my hair lays as flat as I want it to. So now I'm going to use my edge booster in the pineapple scent. This is the best edge control on the market. I'm going to just say that right now. I know it's expensive, but I mean, baby, you gotta It's your edges. We can't be playing games out here. So this is wonderful, at least for the summer, to use just because it really holds down your edges and it keeps your hair nice and sleek. Don't come at me for using a do-rag because we all do it, okay? I just happen to have a velvet one, but I'm just gonna put this around my head just to make sure that it is flat as possible. On a good day, I would just sleep and wait overnight, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to use a blow dryer and blow dry my head while I have this do-rag on. Bruh, when I'm telling y'all I was in shock, like I don't, oh, do you see that? Period, right sis? Period. See, I was so excited because look at how late it is with those little waves in it. Like, come on now. Okay, curl pattern. So I'm about to use this wonderful springy Afro twist hair in the color number 2. This is by Xpression's Outre. I've seen this hair used a couple times on an array of people for different styles, so I was just like, you know what, let me just use it. But this is how the hair comes in 3 bundles. I ended up using, I think, 1.5 bundles. See, that's the half bundle right there. And then I also use a full bundle. Now I just attached a really big hair tie to the bundle of hair, and I'm just going to put the ponytail on the back of my head so it's attached to my natural hair ponytail. So to make sure that my natural hair isn't exposed and doesn't get, you know, thrown in the wind, we're gonna bobby pin this ponytail down, not to the point where it's super flat to my head, but where it does not show my bun. So I'm just gonna use the bobby pins around my head to make sure that it's secure on my head, because it can't get exposed. So now it's time for these edges because these edges are looking a little too basic. All right, so I'm about to just go on with my edge booster again in the color Pineapple Scent. And I'm just going to, you know, lay them down, just nothing crazy. And I'm going to use my hard bristle brush just to kind of get the overall outline of how I want them to look. And I'm usually very simple with my edges, so I'm just going to swoop them down and pull them back, nothing crazy, and I'm going to do that on either side. So to complete the look, I wanted to go for something very playful, very spring, very summer. So I'm just going to put a few barrettes in my hair just to complete the entire look. I just got these from the beauty supply store. I think it was like $1 or $2 for the whole thing. But I got these two and one that says Boss, but you know, I'm not going to put the Boss one. All right, so this is the final look. I don't know if you saw what I did, but I did not comb through the hair at all. I just pulled it and did not separate the ends. As you can see, this is how the ends of the hair look when I take out a twist out. Like, this is exactly how it looks. So this brand, let me see, the Xpression brand, my friend at school actually recommended this to me. And I've seen a bunch of other girls use it for different things like twist, but this is the Springy Afro Twist Separated and Pre-Fluffed Xpression's brand. I don't like the texture. For me, I'd probably put some type of conditioner or shampoo because it feels very Kanekalani, but you would not tell by how it looks on your head. Like, this looks like natural hair. You know, people spend hundreds of dollars on bundles, but this is a $5 style. A $5 style. A $5 style, and I look this is the cutest thing ever. This is so cute for spring and summer. It's really easy, you know, you can just take it off at night, put your scarf on, and then put it right back on. Like, it's really that easy. And you see it has movement, but it's not going anywhere. So it looks very, very natural. Yeah, I'm like in shock. And if you want to keep fluffing it, you can, but I already like it how it's fluffed. I put 1.5 of the bundles of hair, so this definitely achieved the look that I wanted. But yes, thank you so much for getting, you know, to the end of this video, watching the video, all that good stuff. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. You see I put that back there so you can see how the hair looks, but this is gorgeous. This is very gorgeous. It's a quick protective style. One thing I would say with any style that has a lot of rubber bands or it's pulled back, make sure that you don't wear this for months or weeks because it is a high tension style. You want to make sure that your hair is moisturized and that it's still hydrated, because if your hair is dry while keeping your hair pulled back like this, it will cause tension and will cause breakage. So make sure you're sealing your ends, protecting your ends, and that you're making sure your hair is 100% moisturized. But I'm probably gonna wear this for like 1 to 2 days and then take it out, wash my hair, and then probably do it, you know, 1 or 2 weeks later. So just let me know, let me know how I did on this video. Like, I'm really proud of myself. I just want to keep flipping my hair. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh gosh, sorry. Yes, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.